Good day. I would be your instructor today. I go by the name of Tribute Mutlabani. Today I'll be taking you through solving algebraic expressions of second order that are equated to zero. There are several ways of actually solving these equations. You could solve it by inspection or by completing squares, but today I'll be taking you through the quadratic equation. So what we see over here is the quadratic equation. This is for solving your second order algebraic expressions equal to zero. So this over here that I've highlighted, that's written below here, is the actual quadratic equation. All right. So this is the formula for solving the quadratic equation, which, as we see here, it's x equals to minus b plus or positive minus b squared minus 4ac all over 2 over c. Alright, so the expression under the square root is known as the discriminant. And right here, I can say, I can use a discriminant to actually describe the roots of the quadratic equation. So this actually gives us a characteristic explanation of the discriminant, basically stating the natural or the nature of the discriminants. So let me just move over to the discriminants quickly. So over here, if we have a value that's b, that's positive, so basically if b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, we'll obtain two distinct roots. An example here, we have x equals 1 or x equals 3. Then we got, for the second case, we got b squared minus 4ac equals to 0. So with this, if that's the case, you'll know that you'll get exactly one root. So therefore, your x1 and x2 will be equal to 0 with the example over here. Then b squared minus 4ac, if it's negative, you'll obtain imaginary values, like the example I have over here with x equals 2 plus 5 minus I, or it will be x equals 2 minus 5i, which are values on the imaginary plane. That's if you obtain a negative value within the discriminant, which is the value over here. Okay. Alright, so this only covers the nature of the roots, and this is the actual formula for solving the quadratic equation. This, unfortunately, I don't have an example. An example will actually take up some time to resolve. However, do catch me on the next section where we actually go through an example. Thank you.